How to add resources in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Create a resource management board. Open a new board and name it Resources to track team tools, documents, or budget allocations. 2. Add relevant columns. Include columns for resource name, type, availability, assigned to, and notes. 3. Upload resource files. Attach documents, images, or PDFs to each resource item for easy access. 4. Use the Connect Boards feature. Link resources to other boards where they are being used, such as project timelines or budgets. 5th, set resource allocation. Assign specific resources to team members and use progress tracking to monitor usage. Enable notifications for low stock. Use automation to notify the team when a resource is running low or needs replenishment. 7. Create a resource dashboard. Set up a dashboard to track resource usage, availability, and cost allocation.